Hello, good morning. This is teacher Jacob, and this video is for eighth grade. Today, we are gonna have a reading class. So we're gonna start Unit 10. Unit 10, it's very important and it's very nice because it's going to tell us how it's and how is and what's going on when you go to the camp. Of course, in our country, it is not really as special for schools or for teenagers, but there are some schools who have this kind of program. One of them is this school. Our Rajanis school has some kind of program like this, where the students go to, somewhere and they understand, they do so many activities and during this trip, and they go to the not summer camp because I mean, we have summer and we have winter in our country. So the students go and have fun during that trip, and they understand, they discover activities, they do it outside from the hometown they have lived. Okay. So this is why it's very important, this unit, because it's telling us what's going on, what is the importance of summer camp. So let's go to Unit 10, okay? Of course, we're not gonna do the next. Perhaps you are thinking, so what was going on with the rest of the pages? Well, let me tell you that after we study the grammar, we study how to use this expression have to, don't have to, it's obligation. Uh, the next page was about how to create the project. Well, we don't have time to create the project, but in other words, is you know write and speak about something that you want to participate in as a volunteer in institution, or perhaps in your town, or perhaps in your village or in your school. But I insist, we are not going to do this. We just have a general idea, but not really doing that. So let's go to Unit 10. This is Unit 10, and it's just because in the United States and also in Europe, because of the seasons. So remember, when it's summer, is the best time to relax. It's sunny, and the days are spectacular because you can walk, you can take a rest, and so many activities during this period of the time. So that's why summer camp, it's very important in the United States and some other countries like Europe. And I don't remember, and I don't have another idea about Asian countries or somewhere. Here in Bogota, we have some kind here one of the example is Aradanes School. Well, let's study. Okay, so let me see. Value independence to find yourself and think for yourself. Yes, I think this is one of the goals for the students, is that they understand they need to discover who are they, and they have to be more independent. I mean, just sometimes you need to take decisions in your life, so you need to learn how to do it. That so that's why this kind of programs, this kind of camps are important for teenagers and also for children too. All right. So let's discuss this. Working groups discuss the questions. So how does summer camp develop a student's sense of responsibility? In my point of view, it is true. I mean, when you are a student and you participate in a summer camp, of course, you have to do a lot of things. You have to do duties. You are responsible for something. You have to do it because it's like a group. And when you are in a group, you have to work and you have to do some kind of exercise or some kind of activity for the group. That's why. So I believe it gives a lot of chance to the students to be more responsible in their duties. B. What summer camp activities can help you become more independent? Well, there are many. This is of course, this is my point of view. You got another point of view, so you can talk about that, or you can write if you want to. Of of course. Well, uh, just sleeping outside the house, it's complicated because it's not your bed. Sometimes you don't have your devices, your electronic devices. Sometimes you don't have even though your mobile phone, so you can't use it. So you need to be in contact with the nature, with the animals, with plants, and with water, and then you got it that. So just to be with the nature activity, to be in with the nature, it gives to you a lot of help. Some sleep outside your house, it gives to you a lot of help too, yourself to be more independent. Sometimes at the time when you have to eat, when you go to lunch, breakfast, or dinner, you have to um, be responsible to eat what you want and to have time for that. It's not whatever you want. It's not whenever you want. It's it's a time, it's a schedule, it's a program for all the students. So you need to follow some kind of rules. So that's why it is important. Okay. Okay, now let's go. Notice this. My word, reading summer adventures. Yes, in other words, when you go to a summer camp, it is like adventures. You're gonna have fun. You're gonna enjoy it. You're gonna discover so many things. So you need to open your mind and enjoy it. So, what do you usually do during the summer? Well, I insist. In Colombia, we don't have that time, but let's go to June, July. That time it's perfect for you, like a vacation. So what do you do? I think so. You go. You don't study. You sleep late, and so many things that you do it. Have you ever participated in a summer camp? Well, that's yours. So you tell me. So you need to answer these questions in order to understand what we are talking to. Would you like to attend to a summer camp? Why? Why not? This is very good. I mean, this is a very good question, and it's very nice too. I mean, you need to understand this. Well, so remember something else. This is writing what kind of activities, where would you like to go, and so on, according to the camp. Okay. But remember, reading exercise, you have first, you have to do three activities. Activity one is to look at the words that you don't understand, and then you make a list, and perhaps you can understand or look at the dictionary. Okay. So let me say, welcome to Arts Alive Summer Camp. I mean, this looks spectacular. Look at the title. This is great. about also if you want to come here, so this name it gives to you an idea what is it talks about. This is a kind of program where you can go. So let's read. Activity 2 is listen and read mentally. I mean, listen and read. So if you are interested in this art, this is a great camp to go to. Beatrice 14, Oregon, US. I love painting. I'm having a great time at the Arts Alive camp. Kelly 15, Quebec, Canada. We're learning a lot about photography. Petra 15, Ottawa, USA. About us, Art Alive has organized hundreds of summer camps around the USA. We specialize in offering arts, drama, films, and photography courses in beautiful locations that inspire and motivate you. Wow, that's spectacular. And what we offer, we have 1 week, 2 weeks, and also 1 month courses during the month of June, July, and August. You can choose your location. We have camps in Grand Canyon, Yosemite National Park, and Florida Everglades. Latest news, we're holding a special Art Alive competition for the best photo taken during the camp. Winners will be selected by a panel of experts at the end of August. Big prizes, big prizes. So the United States is fantastic in our words to be in a place or in a program like this. So, what we're gonna do is listen again, and we understand the reading. Okay. So now, sports now summer camp. Our program is ideal for kids ages 10 to 18 who wants to try a wide variety of sports activities. We offer both team and individual sports. We will help you to be better at your favorite sport. Sports now is a fantastic experience. My tennis is really improving. Sean, 15, Ontario, Canada. I love sports now. I'm going to call my game next year. Now he's 16, Vermont, USA. If you are if you're into sports, Sports Now is the place for you. John 14, Rhode Island, USA. Our courses, lots of different sports, include tennis, soccer, basketball, and track and fields professional and friendly coaches, wonderful facilities at our Colorado base, 2 and 3 weeks courses during the June, July, and August. For more information, call us at 1-800-129-6835 or email sportnow at ini.com. You see, so according to the reading, what you need to do is to complete the exercise 3 and 4. So mark these statements if it's true of or false, F or T. The R ally competition is for the best photo participant ever taken. So all you need to write is T or F according to the comprehension. So I hope so you understand this, because if you have read with me, you will understand the question. Let me help you. The Arts Alive competition is for the best photo participants have ever taken. So it's in other words, it is T. Okay. So you have to write here T.